On this section, right, we're looking at the blower motor. You see that there's 2 wires on it. You normally find 2 wires on a blower motor. One's going to be power, one's going to be ground. So to do a pinpoint test, I'm taking my ground from back there. Notice if you move over a little bit, for people that are into Subarus, right, there's our green diagnostic connectors. These are the 2 pieces that we would put together to go into diagnostic mode. So if mode 8 would actually work, we would connect these. But in order to do other things, like say for instance, vary the RPM up and down, you would put these together, so that way the vehicle would go into diagnostic mode. There's also the little fuse panel that's up here along with some relays. So on this, what we're going to do is we'll turn on the ignition. Okay, right there's where the fan control is. And so what we're going to do is determine, well, which side does all the commanding. So, right, I'll turn it to, right, this is all I'm going to do when you hear the clicking, is do that. Right, so back down below, see we're on one of the wires. I don't know which wire it is until we turn it on. Again, I'm not using Shopkey Pro for this. Right, so notice we have 11.36, which is our battery voltage right now. You may hear the different than the speeds, but notice that as we go through the different speeds, it stays at battery voltage. So I'm going to go back all the way down again. We're going to take our lead, we're going to put it into the other spot. Get in there, buddy. All right, hopefully we got a good connection. All right, we're going to change our speeds again. So there's low speed, a little low, a little higher, and a little higher. Okay, so you might wonder, well, why did the voltage go down? Because notice that we're at 0.55 right now. That means that this is ground side controlled. Notice that the wire that we're on right now too is tan, right? Or some people call it brown, right? A lot of Japanese products, brown is ground. And so therefore what we're doing is we're varying the amount of voltage drop to ground. So here we have, right, pretty close to, well, we only have, half a volt drop to ground, and that's full. So we add a little bit more resistance to ground, and it goes a little slower. A little more resistance to ground, right? Again, these are voltage drops, and you guys know voltage drops. And then, right, here's the slowest speed, so we have the greatest amount of voltage drop to ground, which provides us with the slowest speed. Okay. They would also indicate that it's not pulse width modulated. It's just going through a resistor pack.